LiveHome3D review. Best home design software? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for LiveHome3D. So without further ado, let us begin. So this right here is LiveHome3D. So LiveHome3D is an architecture software designed to help businesses create detailed designs and renders. The platform enables administrators to edit and share files with colleagues on a unified interface. LiveHome3D allows teams to automatically create multi-dimensional floor plans and presentations of interior designs. Additionally, managers can utilize the point-and-click functionality to measure walls and draw rooms. So LiveHome3D lets businesses integrate the system with several third-party applications, including SketchUp. Pricing is based on a one-time license, and support is extended via email, forums, video tutorials, knowledge base, and an online contact form. So yeah. So if you guys want to buy the subscription right here for LiveHome3D, there will be a special link in the description below, and where you can get a special discount right here when you're going to buy the plan right here for LiveHome3D. So these are some of the works and screenshots right here from LiveHome3D. So there you go. So yeah, it's pretty high quality, and the looks of it's pretty good. And then these are the LiveHome3D features right here. So it has 2D drawing, 3D imaging, BIM modeling, design management, drafting, and presentation tools. But LiveHome3D doesn't have contact management, doesn't have contract or license management, it doesn't have document management, and doesn't have third-party integrations. So the only third-party integrations that they have right here is SketchUp. So yeah. So moving on, let's move on to the prices right here for LiveHome3D. So again, if you want to avail for a special price right here for LiveHome3D, make sure to click on the link in the description below to have a special discount. So LiveHome3D has two plans right here. One is just the LiveHome3D and one is LiveHome3D Pro. So this one is available for Mac, iPhone, iPad and Vision, Windows and Android. So for the Mac, the standard is $49.99 and the 3D Pro is $99.99. For the iPhone, iPad or Vision, the LiveHome3D is free and the Pro one is $99.99 as well. For the Windows, LiveHome3D is also free and the Pro version is $99.99 as well. And then lastly, for the Android, LiveHome3D is free and the Pro one is $99.99 as well. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, a review on LiveHome3D. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.